Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover data with Dell Data Recovery step by step clearly. To begin recovering data with Dell Data Recovery, ensure your system is powered on. Locate and download the Dell Data Recovery software from the official Dell website. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer file to start the installation process. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard to install the software. When installation is complete, launch Dell Data Recovery from your desktop or Start menu. Connect the storage device where you want to recover the data if applicable. Select the type of data recovery you wish to perform, such as deleted file recovery or complete data recovery. Click on the Scan button to allow the software to search for recoverable files. The scanning process may take some time, depending on the size of your drive. Once the scan is complete, a list of recoverable files will appear on the screen. Browse through the list to find the data you wish to recover. Select the files you want to recover by checking the boxes next to them. Click on the Recover button to start the recovery process. Choose a destination folder where you would like to save the recovered files. Avoid saving the recovered files back to the same storage device to prevent data overwriting. Wait for the recovery process to finish. This may take some time depending on the number of files. After the recovery is complete, navigate to the destination folder to verify your recovered files. If needed, repeat the process for any other files or folders you wish to recover. Make sure to back up important data regularly to prevent future data loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.